pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. This girlie right here is Love Me Hair's 1 second install pre-style braid silky glueless wig. A 1 second bob, y'all. It don't get no better than a 1 second bob. And just so that I can show y'all, because I know y'all saw me style her a little bit. But after she is styled, let me show y'all how the 1 second bob gets down. First, we're gonna take her off. And we're off. Woo, woo. Before we do that, let me show you guys this little elegant braid here. This braid is just simple. It's just simple. The bob is bobbing though. The bob is bobbing. Y'all hear it ringing? Yes. So, 1 second. Is all you need. That's it. That's all. That's it. 1 second. All in all, after you give her a little TLC, 1 second is all you need from there on out to get her on like she is supposed to be on. This is a glueless wig. This is a bob wig. And the bob is bobbing. I am a sucker for a long bob. I love a good bob. Amen. So this is a 4x4 closure wig. Not my favorite, but for my girlies who are beginners, this would be perfect for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to... 1 second. Put her on. Go. That's it. That's all. I ain't got a lot to say. This wig is soft, silky, smooth. This wig is full. This wig is giving full bob. You know how like sometimes you get a bob and the bob be a little, it be struggling for a little hair. It could add a little bundle or two. You don't have to do that with this one. You do not. You don't need anything extra. The bob is bobbing. The little braid is a cute accent to this hair. Like, okay, Miss B Different. That's exactly what Miss B Different. I like this wig for the simple fact that it's convenient. Convenience is the key to glueless wigs. That's what we want when we want glueless. Convenience. Convenience and security. And this wig gives both of those aspects. Again, this is a 1 second bob. 1 second braided freestyle bob. And just make sure you have a flat foundation so that you don't be giving all the humps and the bumps in the wig. I don't have a lot to say. It did throw me off though. I know a lot of people gonna be like, what is it for? What is the braid for? I was the same way. But now that I have it on, I do like the little cute. It's cute. It's just cute. It's no reason. It's just there. Accept it. Buy it. You'll like it. Okay? Now y'all know I do the pros and cons, and I think y'all already heard my con. My only con is that it is the 4x4. But that's a con for... Oh, excuse me. Okay. I'm back. I'm sorry. Now, the only con that I have is that it is a 4x4. That is not a big con. That's just something that I didn't like. You guys may like it. It's easier to deal with. It's not a lot to have to customize. As you can see here, Love Me Hair has done all of the work for you. The only thing that you will have to do is take her out of the box, give her a little heat, and keep it moving. Because we know the box folds. We're not going to be delusional here. We're not going to be delusional here. The box does fold the hair a little bit, and with that you have to flat iron. Other than that, I don't have no complaints about this wig. I do not. I like it. Oh, wait, Tom, let me step back. Get your makeup. Hit the front a little bit if you are a little bit of a darker complexion, like me. You're a little bit more melanated red, brown, even green. Get your makeup. Touch her up. That's it. That is all. Short and sweet, to the point. Get into the bob. Now, if that sounds good to you, make sure you go to that description link. Click on the link, get this wig ASAP, as soon as possible. If you need a little cheat code, use my coupon code. That will also be in the description box as well. I don't have a lot to say. I am moving on. I just like it. It's cute. It's something for me to hurry up and grab and go get my kids. Hurry up and grab, go on a date. Hurry up and grab, get to work. 1 second is all you need. Even if you don't have, even if you're running out the door, grab her. Put her in the car with you, and before you go into work, put her on. That is it. That is all that I have for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all of those good things, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.